It used to be my mom's boutique, but then dah terbengkalai dah, tak pakai. Tias pun dah tak ada, dah all gone. The thing is, barang-barang kat dalam ni still ada lagi. Baju pengantin, all the cabinets, fitting rooms and whatever not is still here. The stage, the pelamin. So we're planning to transform Tias into my bakery. So we'll see how it's going to change, okay? Baby steps for Silver Whisk. Huh? So many habuk. Okay, let's do this. Not really sure bila everything is going to be done. I just need to clean up this whole place and jual barang-barang yang selagi boleh. So there's a lot of work to do. One job is done. The whole area. Alright, day 1 done. Okay, it's day 2 in Tias. Today we just want to continue the work and also to buang some stuff so that we could at least reduce some items. Look what I found. Buruknya tulisan saya. Ni tulisan time dah jam 4. Peraturan sekolah.
Ada something so that you can cover this thing. Like a big cloth. Ayah apa? Tengok je.
Next mission is to clean up sampah kat corner ni. But takut, and so smelly and so disgusting. At the same time have to load barang yang atas juga. I'm just gonna kutip all the bottle first.
2 seconds later.
I'm just gonna let my brother do.
Yep, that's me.
Run! I'm not gonna do that. Done for day 2. Look how dry my hand is. Day 3. Day that Silver Whisk is moving out to the new kitchen, so we have already bawa everything, literally everything. So there are a few stuff dekat sini, and then also kat belakang pun ada.
And since then, we operate our business in the kitchen studio.